Search for the RTSP URL for your camera. We're dealing with Hanwha IP video camera, so we're going directly to its website. This is the RTSP template we need. As you can see, the URL consists templates of a data that is yet to be entered: user, password, and device IP address. Copy the URL and enter the data mentioned on your device. Okay, now let's paste our RTSP line with the IP address of our camera directly into the application. Then we click Connect. And we see that connection is established. Now let's take a look at the options. The red zone upon our picture is the recognition zone, and it can be manually stretched, like this. Then we have the size of a number plate. In our case, the size between 130 and 250 pixels is okay for the distance between camera and cars. Recognition sensitivity is set up to 70%. It means how strongly the app is focusing on the number plate and not on the additional text lines on the car bodies, like taxi or advertisements. The direction angle, or the angle of an arrow on the red zone, allows us to help the app to find out in what direction the cars are moving. The model recognition option allows the recognition of the model, type, and color. Sensitivity is set up to 10%. It shows how much the app is sure about what it sees. In our case, we don't need to know exactly this is Skoda or Hyundai or whatever. We just need the number plate, so 10% is enough. After everything is set, we click Apply. And now let's go to the Results tab. Here we have the database: date, plate number, its photo, direction, our channel, our zone, technical data, and of course country. Something is missing, isn't it? Right-click on the black frame and include logo, model, type, and color. Voila, we have it! Okay, now let's take a look what else can we do here. This is the Reports tab. Here we can find any exact car based on its model, color, or any number which has been mentioned in its license plate. We type 1 and 2 numbers and see every plate in which these numbers were mentioned. For instance, we're searching for a black BMW. Here you have it. And you also can see the exact moment the car was recognized. The same thing with all the red cars, for instance. Okay, well, this is how it works. In the next series, we will talk about how to control a barrier on a parking lot via this application. Okay, what are the frequent mistakes you want to avoid? First, make sure to enter the username and the password of the camera correctly. Second, find the correct RTSP pattern for the corresponding camera. Third, the camera have to be on the same network as your laptop is.